lowering cost of home ownership is the ultimate goal of the company, and technology should allow us to do that.
A full home that is installed in hours, built in the factory, folded, and shipped.
All of the appliances, such as the washer, dryer, stovetop, and refrigerator, all stay on this side of the unit, whereas the bedroom and living room side fold in to the appliance side of the unit, making it very, very portable and easy to transport.
This modular home is a game changer, and once decorated, it transforms from a structural marvel into a sanctuary. When building an ADU for family, people assume that means a long build, but there is another way to do it, and it's already happening.
The contractor was there just for the day to get it set up. We clicked on the power and all the power worked. Went inside, the water worked, it was all ready to go.
The BOXABL Casita is factory built, in a controlled environment where every step is dialed in. It's faster, more efficient, and designed to move. While your site is getting ready, the home is already built. So instead of waiting through every phase in a traditional build, the BOXABL Casita arrives ready to take its place.
Our mission is to make housing affordable by mass producing buildings in a factory. There's not enough housing in the country, and we think we can dramatically bring down the cost through mass production, assembly line principles, automation, and that's our goal.